As a master gardener, I spend a lot of time outside. And as executive director of the Georgia Urban Ag Council, I spend a lot of time with landscape professionals. And they're telling me that their #1 most asked for enhancement are mosquito misting systems. We have a real problem in Georgia, and when we bought our house and installed our landscape, I talked to David about installing a system in our yard, and it's made the world of difference. Initially, I was a little bit concerned about the beneficial insects, the hummingbirds, the butterflies. We have such great wildlife here, but I haven't had a problem at all. My plants are doing well, the animals and insects still come, and we just love it out here. We can spend all day out here and all afternoon. Now, if only David could do something about the humidity in Georgia, we'd be all set.